What's going on, guys? This is my post-ride review of the Triumph Tiger Sport 800. Got to send a big thank you over to Triumph Houston for allowing me the opportunity to throw a leg over this machine and bring it to you. In the description below, you will find a link to that ride-along video. That way you can see this machine in action and you can catch my reaction to it in real time. So let's dive into it. Look, this has been a long time coming. When I first ever rode an adventure bike, it was the predecessor to the Sport 800. It was the Tiger Sport 660, and I was a little bit smitten with that bike. I liked it a lot. And then when Triumph announced that they were going to take that same platform and shoehorn in an 800cc engine, I got pretty excited. So what all's going on with this bike? Well, let's talk about the technology suite first. It's got 3 different riding modes. It's got rain, road, and sport. I rode the bike in sport. It's got levels of connectivity. It's got a cruise control, all of that. That's great, but really, when I'm riding these bikes, especially a bike like this, I'm just looking to get out there and ride the machine. So how does this thing get down the road? Well, I'll put it to you like this. That 800cc engine is making roughly 113 horsepower at 10,750 RPM. And according to the spec sheet that I'm looking at down here, it's making 70 pound-feet of torque at 8,250 RPM. So all in all, good power out of this machine. It weighs in at right at 470 pounds, full of fluids, and well, it's got a little bit of a sporting side to it. The thing is, if you look at the Tiger Sport series of motorcycles, they're very interesting to look at in that they look like a sport bike that has had a lift kit installed on it. I love the fit and finish of this machine. Definitely a Triumph trademark. This bike was put together very nicely. All the seams look very even. I gotta say, all the quality of this bike, first top notch. Now, the riding experience. Okay, so I put the bike in sport mode and immediately got out on some of the back streets to get to know this bike a little bit better. Braking response is very good. One thing I did want to applaud Triumph on is the adjustable levers, the adjustable brake lever in particular, in that you could really stretch that lever out. And if you've got big hands, that comes in really handy. And I can tell you that this adjustability that I found with that brake lever was the greatest of any bike that I had ridden. So if you're a bigger guy and you're looking for a middleweight sport bike or a sport touring bike, this might be the one for you. And now, getting down the road, what's that 800cc triple like to experience? Well, I'll put it to you like this, and I don't want this to sound disparaging. Just roll with me on it. I think you'll know where I'm coming from. The 800cc triple does not have a defining characteristic. And what I mean by that is, you know how parallel twins, those 270-degree mills that we've all grown to love, those types of engines offer up a very unique, very strong hit of torque, that very strong power surge that you get right as you crack the throttle. The 800cc triple doesn't have that. Another way you could spin it to the other side and go, okay, well, some 4-cylinders really spin high and they make power high up in the RPM range. And although this bike makes peak power at 10,750, which is pretty high up there for an ADV bike, it never really gets you a peak or a rush up into that power. It's like it's delivering the same amount of power all the time. So torque, very, very flat. And for a lot of guys, they love that. It's a very predictable way of going about making power. So in that respect, very nice. It's a comfortable motorcycle to ride down the road. It's got fully adjustable suspension with remote adjustable preload out back. So definitely an up there, definitely a performance feature. So all in all, I gotta say, I had a really good time with this bike. I didn't really come away overwhelmed, but I also kind of figured that I got what I was hoping for. A more capable sport, really more street adventure type of motorcycle that would be very much at home on 200 or 300 mile blasts out in any direction that you wanted to go. You can kit this bike out with some very attractive luggage and box options. So, cargo is absolutely not an issue. With the adjustable preload, you've got plenty of adjustability for all of your stuff and for a passenger as well. So more capable than the 660 and more sporty to boot. I like this bike. I think that if you're in the market for a bike that is really more road oriented, something that is going to be more maybe commuter and back roads fun type of a machine than an outright adventure bike, I think this would be a good bike for you. But with that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. If you made it this far into the video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It helps the channel out a ton, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Take care.